What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we got to replace rear struts on a 2004 Nissan Sentra. Let's get started. First things first, let's raise and support the vehicle. Don't forget jack stands, guys. Safety first. Let's start removing the wheel. All right. Now we're gonna remove the two 14mm strut bolts. That's one. That's two. And now we're gonna remove the bottom bolt, and that's a 17mm. There you go. Then you just grab that bolt, give it a good wiggle, and there she is. Then you just grab your strut, guys, and wiggle it out of the way. Just like that, guys. And now you just reinstall in reverse order. Now we're gonna start the bottom bolt. And now tighten all the bolts down. And reinstall the wheel, guys. It's, important. And you can lower the vehicle now. Oh yeah. Oh. All right, guys, and that's it. Pretty straightforward, huh? Just one bolt in the bottom, two bolts on the top, remove, put it on. That's it. Don't pay a shop $300. Do it yourself. See you guys in the next one.